Sanibonani babukeli nabathandi bayi WTV uyi Professor CM Likhuleni ngihamba ngedwa ngihamba nethwini lami umalume kaKarabo udirile nobunolo ngithe bafowethu sesenje asengahlukana abaningi bakhala bathi prof kanti uphi bracket ngithi ukhona nediscard ngoba naye ubhizi kakhulu njengoba nimbona ubhizi bafowethu left and right umsebenzi konke nje konke kuyambamba so ngoba akusi ubaba wethu kuphela nabanye abantu umela bahambele but kulonyaka besi2 besibhisi so sithi before uvala nje ngithi ikhalozeni seziphendukele special sesifikile
sinini special
no special sikhona ngomhla ka 5 January 2026 until nge10 zaka January 2026
booking fee logistics what's the story
I booking fees 1.5 ithwalo zonke zaka prof ngaphandle kwama boys ngaphandle kwenyoka egunyayo ngaphandle kwecasket ngaphandle nje kwezinye nezinye ngeke ngizibale siphelele but zonke izinto ngizoba nginikeza zona abantu nge7500 rand.
Okay, umbuzo ukuthi ama price rental are included in special. Can I get a special price if I want to rent ama boys for 6 months? Can I come here with an expectation yokuthi ngizothola a discount or something?
Yes, i-discount ezobe ikhona nge-rental kuzoba nge50 kuphela. Angeke ngikupha ama boys less than that. Umuntu ofuna nakhona futhi ngalelo langa le special athi ngifuna kube ngawami aze ne50,000 ngiyoba ngimnika wona. Athi ngifuna inyoka egwinyayo ngoba ngimnika yona nge50k kuphela nomuntu othi ngifuna prof ukuthola uManasa usesekhona uManasa ngimbuyisile game 2 powerful one.
Okay, so specials from the 5th to the 10th January. Everything is on special except into ezinzima. And because this thing is ezinzima, you'll have to explain to them abafuna ukuthi this one is on special, this one is not on special.
Yes, injalo bafowethu ngokunithanda nje ngisho njalo ukuthi ningathi prof special sinini ngonke ngiphazona January uma uthi hayi ngisalinde esinye silandelayo khohlo into eyami ithe ngifuna ukuthi wonke umuntu by March abajabulile adlile asutha athi yazi mina sengiphila kamnandi nje 2026 ngiyanipha wena walala wasala ungaphindi ubuye uthi prof special sinini.
Siyabonga prof.
Thank you sir.
So bookings start when? Can they book from now or should they wait until Jan or when? Ngoba I know ukuthi uyavala this Friday.
Yes, njengoba ngivala mhla ka Friday ama bookings can start as you see this video. You can book and send a proof of PDP reference, write what you want so that when I open ma ngivula ifoni yami ngomhla ka 1 January ngibheke ukuthi okay abantu bami bayi 30 or bayi 50 ngikwazi ukuthatha lapho ngilungise ithwalo zami.
Siyabonga prof.